We're talking inside banking now. Thanks so much for joining me, Carol Wheatley, Product Development Officer in the Digital Channels Division. Digital Channels Division at NCB. What goes on in this channel, Carol Wheatley? Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So today, I was asking you about the Digital Channel Division. What goes on in there?
So with our Digital Channels Division, we are in charge of the non-branch channels, which should be ABMs, internet banking, or mobile application. So this morning, I'll be speaking about our a new ABM feature.
Yeah.
We're in the process of implementing and upgrading our ABMs island-wide, which is a part of our ABM Efficiency Optimization Initiative.
That's your automated banking machines. Yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead.
And with this upgrade, we'll be giving customers the option to opt out of printing receipts, which will not only save time at the ABM, but also minimize waste, which is better for our environment. And as your financial partner, we're also trying to make your banking processes faster and easier. And we're giving the option to go digital or print a receipt when you conduct your transactions at the ABM.
Mm-hmm. So you will have the option when you get inside the banking machine to choose whether or not to print the receipt.
Yes.
Yeah, but isn't that already existing?
We do not have it. We do not offer the option. So customers will, after completing their transaction, a receipt will be automatically printed.
Oh.
With this feature, the available balance will be displayed on screen. So it will no longer be automatically printed.
Yeah. Okay, because I know that there are other machines that I've used where I see they've asked, would you like a printed receipt?
Yeah, so we're introducing, we've noticed that over 25% of our ABM users at NCB review the receipt quickly and they will discard of it.
Yes.
So, this feature will help and save seconds, especially if you're running late.
Yes. What's the real reason? I know you said it's to save the environment because the paper comes from trees, but is there any other reason for NCB taking this direction?
Yes, this will help to increase efficiency so that the customers will be able to conduct their transaction quickly, and especially if they're on the go, they won't have to wait to collect their receipt. So they'll be able to go ahead and do their transaction and get on their way.
But it normally takes a couple seconds after you take out the card and you get the cash, a couple seconds later for the receipt. You think those seconds saved would be, so big?
Sure. Mm-hmm. Sure. Well, every second counts when you're on the go.
And this no receipt would be for all types of transactions or specific types?
Okay, so there will be several transactions, and this include deposits, which should be cash or check, withdrawals, balance inquiry, cash advance, transfers, bill payments, mobile phone top-up, and quick cash out.
But all of these things sort of anticipate that there is such great electronic literacy in the country at the moment for use of online services to check balances later and to ensure that, a lodgement that you ask somebody to put in for you, that it actually goes in, since they won't produce any receipt. But are we that literate a country? Have we really gone where you wish us to go before you introduce this product?
Well, we're getting there, and the customer will have the option. So in the event that there is a dispute later on, they can always contact us and we're able to assist in resolving the issue. So they do have the option to print the receipt. They can also view their account information online.
And when do you intend to start this upgrade now?
So we will start in mid-November this year.
Mid-November. And when you start, are you going to give the option, or you're just going to completely take away the option of asking for the receipt?
So we'll be giving the option. So once a customer completes their transaction successfully, their available balance will be printed on screen, and they will receive a message prompting if they would like to print the receipt. So if they select no, the card will be ejected, and then a thank you message will be displayed on screen. And if they select yes, the receipt will be printed and the card ejected and the thank you message displayed.
Okay.
So we're not taking away the option, but we're giving customers the option of whether or not they would like to opt out of printing.
And that option, you say, is not available now from your NCB ABMs?
No.
So that's going to involve some change in, is it an electronic adjustment inside all of your ABMs that has to be done for that?
So, we will make the change across the entire ABM network.
Yeah.
So once a customer visits any of our ABMs, they'll receive that option.
And that change, is there a central network system that your IT people or whoever it is who would do the configuration, a central system they can just go in and can reset all of the machines across the island? Do the machines talk to each other?
Yeah, so we have a central system that will allow our IT team to effect the change across the network.
Right. And do you intend gradually to remove the option from the customer completely?
No, we're not considering it at this time.
So what makes you think that the customers who are now used to getting a receipt will just not opt to, yes, I would like my receipt, and still pull it and still put it in the garbage bin?
Well, this is based on customer behavior, which we have noticed a pattern where 1 in 4 customer will print the receipt and they will look at the balance, and then they discard of the receipt. Currently, you will not see an available balance while you're completing your transaction unless you select an option for balance inquiry. So in providing the customers with this information, then we expect to see a decrease in print.
Right. The print on that paper that comes out of the machine, about how long does it last? The ink?
Well, I've had my receipts for over a year, and the information is still clear. So,
but it does rub off. It does rub off after a while, doesn't it?
After a while, and depends on how it is stored. If it's rubbing against other papers, etc. Yes, but it should last for a while, though.
Do you have any idea what categories of customer now would require the receipt for whatever purposes? Are these like the sort of older population? Are these the young professionals? Or who is it who would really want to have a receipt from an ABM for keep?
So it would be based persons who may do deposits, may want to keep their receipt more than customers who will do other transactions. But it is based on customer preference, really. So we'll have persons from different customer segments who may want to do it, but we're expecting maybe the persons under 35 may, based on they tend to gravitate a lot more to the channels. So we're expecting that, they will be the ones who will do less printing. But as I said before, it's a customer preference. And so customers will be able to, make this decision.
All right. Anything else you want to tell me, Ms. Wheatley?
Sure. Just want to encourage our customers to use our digital channel platforms, which includes our ABM, or internet banking and mobile app, so that they can enjoy free, safe, and easy banking.
I know a lot of banks wanted customers out. COVID has helped you.
Well, in this time where there's a need for social distancing and being safe, it has helped the customers, to be able to conduct their transaction more conveniently in the comfort of their home and be safe.
And do you find that more people are using the ABMs?
Yes. More persons are using the ABMs.
Yeah, and you're able to
visiting the branches.
You're able to track that. You have a system in house that you can literally see the increase in customer usage over months. Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, it'd be good to know that. All right. Can I thank you so much, Ms. Wheatley? Carol,
thank you for having me, Mrs. Shields.
more than welcome. Carol Wheatley, she is the Project Development Officer in the Digital Channels Division at the National Commercial Bank. That's Inside Banking with NCB.